I've been using these mock scrapes for, this is my 6-year bow hunting, so 5 years now. And I tell you what, these are hands down the most effective, legal thing you could possibly use. I'm telling you right now, especially during the rut, pre-rut, you'll see the scrapes start opening up. The bucks are cruising around, checking. They're just waiting to see what doe's coming into heat. But if you guys didn't know, this is literally how deer communicate. They come up, they rub their orbital glands on these, and they communicate with each other. So you don't want to just like put these anywhere. You want to like strategically place them. I would suggest only putting mock scrapes in only places you're going to put a tree stand. Because what's the sense of putting it anywhere else? You want it where you're going to get a shot at a deer. This gives you a few seconds for the buck coming in, stopping, checking the scrape, and then rolling. And that's not bucks, fawns, does, they all use it. All you need is a vine about 1 inch round, about 5 foot high. As you can see, I just got it on a rope here, free moving. You want it to where a mature buck can walk all the way around it. You don't want, like, you know, up against something. It seems like they like it if it's, you know, all the way around. And then you want to cut them off about waist high. That way the fawns can use it too. So yeah, literally as soon as I put these up, I always have deer hitting it within a few hours or definitely within the day. And then I don't even put any scent on them ever, just all natural. I mean, it just makes the most sense to the deer, you know. The deer are using it naturally, so just leave it natural. Their scent is the best scent. I usually just I'll put like a 3-foot circle here just to get it started, and then if you want, pee in it. Deer cannot tell the difference from your pee to theirs. I promise you, I've done it 1,000 times. It does not bother them. Pee in it, get it started. I promise you'll have a deer on it within the day, few hours for sure. But also strategically placed right here. You guys notice? I mean, obviously the weeds are a little high back there. I didn't get finished cutting, but there's a trail coming this way. There's a trail coming this way. And there's a trail coming this way. So this is like a great central hub for all these deer to be meeting up right here. Like, this is like a community scrape, you know, all the deer coming in, cruising. Even if this wasn't here, I promise you they would use it, and they use it all year round. So, like I said, these things right here, killer, have them within bow range, and man, I promise it will pay off. I've killed a lot of deer over mock scrapes. They're great. I love them. Okay, here's just a few examples of some nice deer hitting these mock scrapes. Like I said, they use these all year round, but they really start heating up come pre-rut. Like I said, I've killed deer over mock scrapes. I always have one at every stand location. Yeah, as you can see, they just come up, rub their orbital glands on it. That was a nice 8-point. And this buck right here, I really regret not shooting. I had him at 15 yards. But anyway, you live and you learn. I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe and like. Have a good one.